ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरो वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरो। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तम् तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवत् विश्वतो मुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यम् च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
सूत्रम् सूत्रविदो विदुः।
ऐउन्
ऐउन्न
ऋलुक्
ऋलक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐऔच
हयवरट्
हयवरट्
लन्
लन्
ञमङणनम्
ज्ञानदम्
झभै
झभै
घटदश
घटदश
जबगडदश
जगदश
खफछठथ छटतौ
खपछटथतौ
कपै
कपै
शशसर्
शशसर्
हल्
हल्
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
अकुग विसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुह विसर्जनीयानाम्
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानां ऊर्धा
ऋटुरशानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
पूपू उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपध्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
ञमङणनानां नासिका च एदैतोघो कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
ओदौ तोघो कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
पकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दत्त ओष्ठम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
जिह्वामूल्यम्.
Can you hear me my voice clearly? There's some internet problem on my side, I think. I'm not hearing your repetition. Nasika Nuswarasya.
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
Yes, my internet connection is unstable. Ramo Rajamanis Sada Vijayate Ramam Ramesham Bhaje.
रामो राजमणि सदा विजयते रामं रमेशं भजे.
Ramena Bhigata Nishachara Chamuhu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha.
रामेणाभिहतानिशाचरचमूः रामाय तस्मै नमः.
If you chant without pause, you can chant Ramena Bhigata Nishachara Chamu Ramaya Tasmai Namaha. That visarga not required. We chant continuously. Do no pause. Okay. If you pause, then because you should say Chamuhu. Ramanastipara Sandhi. It is due to Sandhi. Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram Ramasya Dasosmyaham.
रामानास्ति परायणं परतरं रामस्य दासोऽस्म्यहम्.
You can see Avagraha I have added. Last is bust. Not that you don't have seen that. For the advanced students, I removed. Again, for the beginning, I'm doing so for beginners, so I've added so that you can see A is elided. Sandhi. Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me Bhora Mama Buddhara.
रामे चित्तलय सदा भवतु मे भो मामुद्धर.
Do you know this by heart? Please memorize. It's a prayer verse from Ramaraksha Stotram, and this also we will do. Shri Rama Sharanam Samasta Jagatam Ramam Vina Kagati.
समस्त जगतां रामं विना का गति.
Ramena Pratihanyate Kalimalam Ramaya Karyam Namaha.
रामेण प्रतिहन्यते कलिमलं रामाय कार्यं नमः.
Ramatrasyati Kala Bhima Bhujago Ramasya Sarvam Vashe.
भीमभुजकरो रामस्य सर्वं वशे.
Rame Bhakti Rakhnditha Bhavatu Me Ramatvamevaśrayah.
रामे भक्तिरखण्डिता भवतु मे रामत्वमेवाश्रयः.
Ramo me Bigitam Karotu Satatam Ramam Bhaje Sadaram.
रामो मे विहितं सादरम्.
Ramena Pahatam Samastaduritam Ramaya Dattam Dhanam. Raman Muktirabhipsita Sarabhasam Ramasya Dasosmyaham. Rame Ranjatu Me Manakharunaya Bhora Mamam Palaya.
रामे रञ्जितु मे मनः करुणया मां पालय.
Samhitaikapade Nitya.
पदे नित्या
Nitya Dhatu Pasargayoh.
धातुपसर्गयोः.
Nitya Samasevakyetu.
समासे वाक्ये तु
सा विवक्षामपेक्षते
विवक्षामपेक्षते
अहम् आवां वयम्
आवां वयम्
त्वं युवां यूयम्
यूयम्
रामः रामो रामाः
रामो रामाः
हरिः हरि हरयः
हरिः
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः
गुरुः गुरवः
पिता पितरौ पितरः
पितरौ पितरः
कर्ता कर्तारौ कर्तारः
कर्तारौ कर्तारः
अयम् इमौ इमे
अयम् इमे
एषः एतौ एते
एषः एतौ एते
सः तौ ते
तौ ते
कः कौ के
कौ के
First is Maheshwara Sutra, should be known, should be memorized, should have memorized by this time. Number one. Number two, Shiksha Sutrani, right? Maheshwara Sutrani, Shiksha Sutrani. Then if you remember the shloka, memorize the shloka, it's good. But Ramaraksha Stotra shloka, any one. And the Pratama Vibhakti of all these shabdas. Aham, Avam, Ayam, Tam, Yivam, Yuyam, whatever you see in the screen, which we have learnt so far. All that, the Pratama Vibhakti of all these shabdas, you must know. And Rama Shabda, if it's good if you memorize, if you are not memorized by this time, at least I will take one more week, you can memorize Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda. So these many shabdas, you should know by heart by this time, these many things. With regard to Shabda, Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda, Guru Shabda, if you have not memorized, please do it. Take some, 1 week or even 2 weeks, it's okay. Memorize it before we go to the next Shabda. If I introduce other Shabda, then this would be difficult. So, but as of now, at least Pratama Vibhakti of all these forms, you must know. Do you know, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
So appropriately, so for example, let us try this, find out the gender from the word and add appropriate pronoun. Ajaha. Okay, no, not everyone. No? Let me do the first one. Saha ajaha, yeshaha ajaha. So you can spot the gender because the word ending with visarga. So ajaha is good. You can, this file already I sent you. You must be having this. This is good for developing a vocabulary. In fact, so many are there. I can send you a lot of words, but it's difficult to memorize. No, so little by little, you cannot know all. There is one more thing is there. Just a minute. Not this one. I'll show you another file later. So ajaha, so akaranta shabda, akaranta Rama shabdavat, like Rama shabda. Okay, here it is that you can try all this shabda. It's nothing wrong, even if you know, please try this, because all these are going to be done only in the beginning. After that, we'll never going to come back and see. After some classes, once you start learning grammar. So at the beginning, you please practice. I'll send you this file for your practice. Pullinga Padan. Balakaha, Ajaha, all these shabdas are there. Balakaha, boy, Ajaha, goat, Gajaha, elephant, Ashwaha, horse, Rataha, chariot. Without the gender, how do you know? How do you decline? So Rataha, Pratama Vibhakti is Rataha. Therefore, like Ramaha, it is Pullinga. Can infer. from the form of the Pratipadikam. This is in Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachan Bhakti Rata Shabda. So for Rataha Padam Pratipadikam Rata. So Rata is Pullinga. We can infer. Similarly, Hamsaha, Naraha, Hamsaha, Hamsapakshi, Naraha, Manushyaha iti. Va Naraha. Naraha Va Naraha. Is a man or a monkey? Va Naraha. If you ask him, Va Naraha is a monkey. Okay. It's just a joke. Okay. Not really. Naraha Va. If you ask, it's a human being. Na Va Naraha. Swamiji jokingly says. Is a Naraha. It's a man. Va Naraha. It's a Va Naraha. Va with the pause is a question. Va Naraha. Va Naraha. Is it a monkey? Chatraha, human being. Adhyapakaha, teacher. Vrikshaha, tree. Bakaha. Bakaha is
Brain.
brain.
Crane.
Brain.
Brain.
What is it?
Cooking. Crane.
Crane. Okay, yeah. Crane. Kandukaha, ball.
Ball.
Suryaha. Then Makaraha. Makara can mean Jashanam Makaros Chasmi. Gitaya. Bhagavan says.
Fish.
Could be, yeah, it could be crocodile or could be a shark
Crocodile.
or it can whale, whatever it is. It's an aquatic creature. Makaraha. Shashakaha, rabbit. Amsaha is repeating. Okay. Kakaha, we know. Megaha, cloud. Meenaha, fish. Meenaha, Matsyaha. Mayuraha, peacock. Mrikaha, animal. Mriga can mean animal. Mriga can mean deer also. Harinaha also deer. Singaha, Parvataha, Chandraha, Krishakaha.
Farmer.
Karshati iti Krishakaha, the one who draws, pulls. Krishakaha. So it can mean a farmer by Rudyard, we can say, or it can mean the one who draws the cart or one who pulls, whatever it is. So Krishakaha. Pikaha kuku, Sarpaha,
Snake.
serpent. There's a difference between serpent and snake, right? They're already the same. In English also, I think it must be some difference is the snake and the serpent. They're not same. Nagaha and Sarpaha. Even in Sanskritam, we say in Tamil also Nagapambu and just palm and Sarpam. They are different, I think. Some differences are. But Nagaha, I don't know what it is. Okay, some differences are. Shukaha, parrot. Gardabaha. Gardaba is donkey. So, like that, you can know the meaning of these words. I told you the meaning now. That you can practice like Rama Shabda. Really? Huh? Ball. Srilinga we will do when we do Srilinga. So Napumsakalinga we can take. Palam, we know. Patram. Palam, patram.
Leaf.
Yeah. Patram could be a leaf or patram could be a paper also. Dirham, house, pushpam. So
Flower.
all these are, you can see Pratama Vibhakti has given. So Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachan Rupam ending with Makara. All. So therefore we can infer this must be Napumsakalinga. Kamalam. Lotus.
Lotus.
There are many words for it. In fact, for each Shabda. No, we have the main the Kamalam and all it's that frequently used. Padmaja is there, Padmajam. There is also Kamalam. Arvinda is what?
Lotus.
Lotus only. Shakam.
Branch.
Shakam is vegetable, not branch. Shakha is branch.
Shaka.
Mahaprana is Shaka. Instead of the branches, the
Vegetables.
bank branch, this so and so Shakha, that branch.
Oh, that's also Shaka.
Shaka, branch
Shaka
of the
is
tree.
Strilingam, is it? Shaka.
Yeah, Shaka,
Yes.
Strilinga.
Shaka.
Shaka, okay, let me speak. Shaka, the branch of a tree, or Shaka could be the branch. That because it is branch, therefore it need not only the branch of a tree, even a bank branch or any branch. Shaka, okay.
Okay.
And Shakam is vegetable. Netram, eyes. Upanetam,
Sign.
spectacle. Mukam, face.
Mm.
Dhanam, money. Jalam, water. Chitram, picture.
Picture.
Vanam, forest. Vimanam, aeroplane. Dugdam, milk. Bhavanam, house.
House.
Palace. Is it palace?
Yeah, we can say we have to distinguish from griham. So it's a mansion, it's a palace. Griham, house. Bhavanam, a mansion or a
Palace.
palace. Udyanam, garden.
Garden.
Nakshatram,
Nakshatra.
stars. Star. Nakshatrani, stars. Bhagavachanam. Nagara, nagaram, napumsakalinga. Please note, there is no word nagaraha.
Okay.
Nagari, please listen. Nagari is there, Srilinga. Nagaram, napumsakalinga.
Okay.
We don't have nagara. Okay. Devanagari, that's a script, name of the script.
Yes.
So, nagaram,
Srilingam.
sorry?
Srilingam. Devanagari.
Yeah, Nagari is Srilinga, Nagaram is
Currently,
Napumsakalinga.
it is not Devanagari, right? It is always Devanagari.
Devanagari, not Devanagari.
I heard somebody say Nagari and I got confused.
Because they would have written in English and then they would have read as it is. It's a problem. Ustakam, book. Chatram,
Umbrella.
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 Bijam,
Seed.
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 Yantram, machine. Odanam, rice.
Rice.
Tandula is the
Rice.
rice. Odanam is cooked rice, that is for annam. Vastram,
Cloth.
dress.
Cloth.
Yeah, cloth. Modakam, we know.
Yes.
Sweet.
Modakam is modaka, sweet dish. Sopanam, steps.
So
Sopanam, we have sadhana panchakam. Each steps, there are each
Step.
steps are given. Sopanam.
Sopanam. Gita
Path-
Sopanam, like that. Is it the same?
Yeah. Gita Sopanam, steps to learn Sanskritam through Gita. Gita Sopanam. Patram, vessel.
Yes.
Jnanam.
Character also, not just a vessel.
Patra. Yes.
Depending on the context.
Yes.
The husband washes a vessel, not the character. The husband washes a
in
vessel in the
dramas-
kitchen.
In dramas, we used to say that Patra. This Patra.
There is character. So depending on the context, the husband washes the patram in the kitchen. Why husband? Nowadays husband only washes, right? That's all.
No, machine.
No, just joking. Okay, don't take it personally, anyone. Just so patram. So there we take the patram to mean vessel, not the character, right?
Jnanam.
Jnanam, knowledge. There is no jnanaha. Please note.
Okay.
Jnanaha not there. Jnanam is there. Jnani is there.
Yes.
Jnani, what shabda? Anyone? What anta?
Trilingam.
We cannot
Nadi
judge by ending letter.
Ikara.
Because ikara is always a Srilinga.
Like Nadi. Could be masculine also. Yeah.
Pita is there. Akaranta. Is it Srilinga shabda? Pita is there. Karta is there. Karta, kartaro, what we learned in the last class. It is Akaranta Srilinga shabda. No?
ऋकारान्त पुल्लिङ्गः ज्ञातृशब्दः
Karanta.
No. Jnatra also become jnata, jnataro, jnataraha, like kartra shabda. How can become jnani then?
Jnani cannot.
Right?
Yeah.
So anyway, don't worry. We don't know. Jnanin shabda, nakaranta shabda. It is completely different. We have not yet learned. We have to go a long way to see that shabda. We'll do it later. Jnani, jnanin, sannyasin, all are nakaranta shabda. Sannyasi is pratama vibhakti ekavachan. Jnani, pratama vibhakti ekavachanam of jnanin. All these shabdas are nakaranta shabda. Okay. Pullinga shabda, in fact. Nakaranta, sannyasi, sannyasinau, sannyasinah. Declension will be like that. Okay. Shariram.
Body.
Shiryate. Shiryamana svabhatvat shariram. Sharira is subject to decay. Shirya. Shirya means that
Decay.
undergoes decay. Another word is degaha. Degaha is pullinga. Dagana yogyatva degaha. Deserved to be burnt, not while alive. Okay, after after death. Okay. After Dagana yogyatva. See, our tradition is always Dagana. We don't bury it, right? Dagana yogyatva. Once the life is gone, then it is just a body to be burnt. Dagana yogyatva. Or digyate iti. Degaha. Shiryamana swabhavatvat. Shariram. That as a swabhava of subject, decay. It's called shariram. Upanetram. Already we saw. Netram.
Spectacle.
Upanetram.
Spectacle.
Spectacle. Netram is eye.
Eye.
Netre. How do you say?
Netre, seventh case.
Two eyes. Netra.
It's good. Somebody.
Netra.
Okay. Listen. Netre, when I say, either it can be Pratama Vibhakti Dvivachanam or Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. The Netre, the word in three
Yes.
places.
Correct.
We cannot just by seeing the word say this Vibhakti. Context. Netre mean two eyes. As Karta. Netre. Suppose. Netram Pashyati. Netre.
Neshe Pashyatah.
पश्यतः
Pashyataha. There, Netre is two eyes. That is the
Netrabhyam.
Karta. Please listen.
Netrabhyam.
Listen.
Okay.
Listen. Netre Pashyataha. Netre Pashyataha. Two eyes. That is a Karta. Subject. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Right? Netre Pashyataha. So, Netre Pashyataha, if there is, you see a sentence, that Netre is Pratama Dvivachanam, it is Karta. Because Pashyataha is there, referring this Dvivachanam and Netre also. It is not Saptami. There is no meaning there.
Yes.
How can you take Saptami?
Yes.
Netrabhyam is different. We have not yet come to that. We'll see that later. Netrabhyam. Through the eyes we see. That is different. We can say, Aham Netrabhyam Pashyami. I see with the eyes, through the eyes. Netrabhyam. There it is Tritiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam. We have not seen yet. Don't worry about it.
Yes.
Okay. Netrabhyam is through what I see. With the help of what I see. That is Karanam.
Correct.
Okay. So these Shabdas, Pullinga and Napumsakalinga, you can take these Shabdas and just, whenever you have time, just chant like Pala Shabdavat. Please practice. See, given a Vibhakti, you should be able to spot what, given a word, a Padam, you should be able to spot the Vibhakti and Vachanam. That's important. We will do that exercise later.
Okay.
So that's why in the beginning we are doing all this practice. Given a word, you should be able to spot the Vibhakti and the Vachanam. What Vibhakti, what Vachanam. Even if there are the same forms are there in other Vibhakti and Vachanam, that also you need to tell. Okay, please. So therefore, you please practice now. Now, by seeing these words, can you spot the gender? Petika.
Srilinga.
Srilinga.
स्त्रीलिङ्ग शब्द
Petika meaning peti.
Box.
Box.
Box. So we spot the gender by the ending letter. It's okay. Now nothing because we know these shabdas, therefore we can. But Pita and Mata, that should be alert. Pita is not Akaranta, it is Rikaranta. Mata is not Akaranta, Rikaranta. What about Amba?
Sri.
Huh?
Srilinga.
आकारान्त
Akarataka
स्त्रीलिङ्ग
Srilinga.
Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Amba Shabdaha.
शब्दः
Janani.
Ikarantaha.
Akarataka
That also means
Srilinga.
mother only. Ikarantaha, Strilingaha. Okay. Gajaha, we saw just now. Pullinga Shabda, Gaja. Bhavanam.
Napumsakalinga.
Nabumsakalinga.
Pratipadikam is Bhavana. Like Pala. Don't say Bhavanam is a Pratipadikam. Bhavana is a Pratipadikam. Okay. If you don't say Bhavanam, Bhavanam is a Padam.
So
Bhavanam is Pratama Ekavachanam, Dvitiya Ekavachanam. Bhavana is a Pratipadikam. Bhavanam is a Padam. Okay. What's the question?
Saranji, Pratipadikam cannot be used in a meaningful sentence. So the word bhavana cannot be used in a meaningful sentence.
Apadam na prayunchita. That's a Vakya. You cannot use the word which is not a Padam. Should be refined, should be converted into a Padam. Then only it can be used. Otherwise, they are not usable. Without Bhavana plus the Pratyaya should be there. Supratyaya. So Pratyayanta. Supratyayanta, Ting Pratyayanta. These are the Padams. They alone can be used. Apadam na prayunjita. That which is not a Padam. Prayunjita is a Anya. Don't use that which is not a Padam. Right?
How about idam? Idam is a Pratipadikam, right?
Okay. So,
So in some sentences we are using idam also, no?
Napumsakalinga Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Idam is not a Pradipadik. Okay. Idam is a Pradipadikam. Fine. In Napumsakalinga Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam is idam. The form is same.
Okay.
Because the form is same, therefore it is not a Pradipadikam.
Okay.
Because the idam is used, therefore it should be a Padam. It cannot be a Pradipadikam.
Okay.
Other way. Pratipadikam is idam. Yes. Right. Makaranta Shabda. Yes. In Napumsakalinga, it's idam. Idam, ime, imani. We will see that maybe today. Idam Shabda.
What is the Pratipadikam of that, Sharanji?
Which one?
Napumsaka idam. Idam in Napumsaka linga. Idam itself. Is it
Idam.
also Makaranta and it starts with idam?
Makarantaha, idam shabdaha. Shabda is common for all the linga. That is Pratipadikam. In Pullinga, idam becomes, we should tell. In Pullinga, last class we saw.
I am.
Ayam,
Yeah.
imo, ime. The same idam shabda in Strilinga becomes iyam, ime, imaha. When you decline. In Napumsakalinga, it becomes idam, ime, imani. See, I'm afraid to teach all the shabdas in one stretch. I mean, whether I'm doing or not, I'm not sure. It is too much for you that you have to tell. You have to tell, yes, Sharanji, enough of this shabda, please do something. Sandhi, I will do it. Because if I tell everything, I will tell, but you won't be able to pick up. Okay. Sometimes because you are enthusiastic, you're asking, I also will tell. And if you don't understand, then it's
No, it helps to compare and learn.
that's okay. But if you are ready to learn more shabdas, please tell me. I'll teach you. It's not a problem for me. Not all shabdas, at least 4 or 5 shabdas in a class. I will teach you. But if you're ready to learn, it's not a problem for me. I'm just not telling you alone. I'm telling all. Okay. So far, whatever shabdas I taught you, please memorize it. Other shabda, I myself take some time now. I don't want to introduce everything. The other shabdas in one class. It's difficult. You need to spend some time with the shabda. Make the shabda more, familiar with you. So we will see idam shabda. Don't worry. Idam, ime, imani. And we will do the practice also. Taking some proper nouns. Suryaha.
Saranji, one moment. So when I said
Akarantaka, Pullingaga.
1 minute. Hold on. She's asking question. 1 minute.
So when I said bhavana is a pratipadikam cannot be used. So when I'm traveling outside, I see Vijnana Bhavana, Krida Bhavana. So this would be wrong to use.
Bhavana, it's not Sanskritam, right?
But based on Sanskritam only, no?
Yes. Ananda Bhavan, Vasanta Bhavan.
Yeah.
That is, I don't know why they call Vasanta Bhavan. I'm not going to go and stay there. I'm going to eat and come back. But it is called a Bhavanam. Why? I don't know. Bhagavan only knows. It's not a Bhojana Shala, okay. But Bhavanam, it is Bhavanam. He's giving we don't know why it's Bhavanam, really. But okay, they say Bhavan also. In English, Bhavan. And Hindi also Bhavan. And Bhavana, someplace it is written. It's not Sanskritam. In Sanskritam, it should be Bhavanam, right?
Okay.
Kamalam, Makaraha, Nauka. Nauka is
Boat.
boat. Boat also has got gender.
Nauka.
Strilinga.
Strilinga.
The person traveling may be any gender, but boat is Strilinga. So Naukaha not there. Nauka.
Ka.
Okay. Boatman. Kaivarta Keshaha.
Naukaha.
Naukaha not there.
Sharanji, what is the boatman called?
Naukara. Naukara.
Please don't tell anything of your own, okay? And others will take it. You ask me. Huh? What is that your question is?
What is a boatman called? In Kannada, we actually call a boatman a
That's what I said. Kaivartaka Keshavaha. Then Gita Dhyana Shloka comes, no? Kaivartaka, ferryman.
Yeah.
In Kannada,
Yes.
it's called Navika.
Yeah, that also you can say. Navikaha. Navika.
Nauka is a boat.
Navika is a boat. In fact, Navika is a boat. Nauka is a boat. Navika also. Nauka, Navika. Navika also is the word is there. Yes. Navikaha. Navikaha is a boatman. Yeah. It's a masculine gender. Sorry. Kaivartaka is another word. And Navika is a sailor. Boatman also you can say sailor. Also another meaning is the sailor. The one who travels. Navika is Strilinga. Okay. I think Navika is the Strilinga.
It is
Or I
not
have to-
boatman then.
Huh?
It is not boatman. Is it a boatman? If it
What is a boatman?
Navika.
Boatman only. That's what I said.
Okay.
Navikaha.
Navikaha, Naviko, Navikaha, Pullinge, Navika, Navike, Navikaha, Strilinga. Okay. Nauka is a boat. Mahila, that is
Lady.
from
Lady.
Lady.
women. So there is no Magilaha. Mahila only. Megaha, Dhanam, Bakaha, Mukam, Paduka.
Yes, sir.
Paduka is Strilinga.
Right.
Paduka. Paduka, Paduke, Padukaha. There is no Pullinga. Padaha is there in Pullinga, but in Strilinga, the Paduka means sandal. Okay. Pada is feet. So Paduka. Then Pustakam, book, we saw. Pikaha, Vajram. Vajram is Vajrayudam,
Vajram.
strong.
Strong.
Vajra.
It is
Yeah.
it's an article. It is a
Iron.
product. Is Vajram.
What
A
is
product.
Pikaha?
Is it?
Bone.
Is it iron?
Vajra means that which is very
Iron.
hard. That is called
Yeah.
Vajra. Vajra Yudam. Ayuda, the weapon, which is Vajra, which is very strong. Okay.
Apparently,
Vajra.
Vajra also means spine.
Vajra, diamond, right?
Vajra is a thunderbolt. Indrasya Ayuda, not spine. No?
Is it not diamond?
Diamond also meaning is there. Yes, there is also another meaning. Vajra.
What is
Why
Pikaha?
why diamond? Because it's
Strong, it is
hard.
strong.
That's why I said it is hard. That which is hard. That is Vajra. Diamond also Vajram only. Yes.
I remember somebody saying that in yoga, when you sit in the Vajrasana, why is it called Vajrasana? Because Vajra means spine, and this posture will strengthen your spine, something like that.
Yes, that is in that meaning Vajra is it is. Not
Yes.
because of the bone. No? Bone is there or not, I have to check. But that because of that posture, your bone will become strong, right?
Yes.
The posture.
The posture is named after Vajra Nadi. I don't know the relation with spine. It activates the Vajra Nadi. Therefore, it's called Vajrasana is what I have read.
Okay.
Charanji,
Maybe the-
what's the meaning of Pikaha?
Yeah, I'll tell you. Yes, I don't know this Aravind, she's telling, so you can say Vajranadi is there or not. Vajranadi, yoga people you know better. Pikaha is cuckoo.
Cuckoo. Okay.
Okay. Now what is this? Chitram Drishtva Samskrita Padani Likata. Having seen, hold on, okay, hold on, not all. Just let me explain. You are not allowing me to speak. Chitrani Drishtva, first you have to read the sentence. Chitrani Drishtva, are you able to read this? Chitrani Drishtva Samskrita Padani Likata.
Yes.
If you have any difficulty in reading this, then
Chitrani
you need to
Drishtva Samskrita Padani
Likata. Okay.
Likata.
If you have any problem in reading the script, please change your spectacles. Okay, then what is this?
Ajaha.
Ajaha.
Sir, one
And-
second.
Akarantaka pullingaga ramasartaka.
So here,
Please hold on. Don't tell anything on your own. Just
Okay.
tell what it is. Just stop there. Okay. Everybody talks. Then yeah. What is that question, Samaji?
Samskrita padani
Hmm.
likhata or something else?
Or something is likata only.
Look at that.
Okay.
It's ordering, is it? Yes.
Oh, okay. It's order, huh? Okay.
Yeah.
It's an order.
Okay.
Likata.
Okay.
You all do. Bhagavachanam. Madhyama Purusha it is. We have not seen this. Don't worry.
Okay. 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 I thought actually, should it be?
Not likati. Not someone writes.
Yeah. Got it.
Likati is someone writes. But here it is an agnya. Yeah, you're right. But who is the karta if you ask? You all. Uyam is understood here. Uyam is not mentioned. What is uyam? You all. Tvam, yuvam, uyam. Suppose if it is tvam, then kriya padam would be different. Not this. Likatu. Likha. If it is you, then likha. If two people, then likatam. Here, you all. Therefore, likata. It's an order. Uyam is hidden. You don't have to, that is, we say, even we have seen, patami means he reads or you read.
I read.
I is understood.
I read.
Aham patami, aham, you don't have to tell, but it's good to tell always, okay. Aham patami. Maybe in spoken you don't have to say, but aham patami. Similarly here also, likata means yuyam is understood. And more on this we will see when we come to that lakara, that that mood. That mood means not my mood. Okay, I'm talking about the mood in the Sanskritam. We have tenses and moods in Sanskritam. That mood, not my mood. Okay. Don't think when I say mood means not my mood. Likata is a mood. It's called potential mood. We have got potential mood, imperative mood, that mood. Nothing to do with my mood or your mood. Okay. Then what is this person?
Yuvaka.
Yuvaga.
Palaka.
Yuvaga.
Oh, okay, it depends on how you look. Balaka, Balaha, or
Yuvaga.
the next on the right side.
Vanaha.
Vidya.
Udyanam.
There is no Vanaha. Is there any word Vanaha?
Manam.
Vanam.
Vanam only it is.
Vanam.
Vanaha not there at all, the language.
Dhyanam.
Ashuddha Padam, Vanaha.
Says I creeper there, I thought it's
Okay, creeper also you can say. What is creeper?
Lata.
Lata, yes. Your choice, how you look upon the Lata or Vanam.
Vrikshaha. If it is only one, we can say Lata, but too many are here. So we say Vanam or
In the Lata, too many leaves will be there. Or too many Latas are there, it's okay. Whatever it is.
yes.
Lataha, then. Sorry. That is, what is this?
Pustakam.
Pustakam.
Patram or Patram. Another word is
Parnam.
Parna.
Parna.
And this is Pustaka, Pustika, Grantaha.
Pustakam.
Yes, Pustakam, you know that is good. That's
Yes.
a simple word, Pustakam.
It's Parnam, right?
Yeah,
Napumsakali.
Parnam. Yeah, Parnam. Yes, Parnam. How do you decline? Parnam.
Parnam,
Complete.
Parne, Parnani.
Yes. And Nattam also happens. Nakara. Murdhani Nakara would be. Okay. Then Vastram, Lakshanam. All these are Napumsakalinga. Pushpam, Pustakam, Bhumihi, Strilinga. We have not yet seen. Bhumihi, Ikarantaha, Rasva Ikara. Okay, Ikarantaha, Pullinga, Bhumi Shabdaha. We will not see that now. Leave that out. Instead of
Is it not a Harisaddam? Bhumihi.
who
Harihi, like that.
is asking?
And Jayanti.
It's not like Hari Shabda. Say it again. Ask again the question.
It is more or less like Bhumihi.
No,
So,
again, sorry, your voice is not clear. Let's say it again.
okay, sir. I'll increase my voice.
No,
sir.
it's not your problem. My internet issue. Please ask again.
I'm asking, it sounds like Harihi.
You said something after Hari. What is that?
Harihi, you and that Harihi.
Okay.
Yes.
No, okay. But what I want to say is, you said Hari Sabda, not Sabda, it is Shabda. I'm correcting your
Shabda.
pronunciation.
Okay. Shabda. Yes.
It is not Sabda. It's a
Okay.
problem with the Tamil.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Shabda is 7.
That's not Sabda. It is
Yes.
Shabda.
Shabda.
If you are
Yeah.
reading any stotram or
I'll
something,
correct.
don't read it in Tamil.
Yeah, you come
Once
out.
please listen. Once you are familiar with the script, don't read in Tamil or any language, even Kannada also. Don't read. You should avoid reading in that language. Read it in Sanskrita script. If you read Vishnu Sahasranamam in Tamil, it is equivalent to killing the Lord himself. So worst thing to do. Don't read. All Ucharanam will go. Sakala becomes Shakala. Gone. Sakala is total. Shakala is part. And Swaha will become Shwaha. Tomorrow will become dog. If Swaha is pronounced as, and Sakrita will become Shakrita. It's the worst thing. Sakrita is once. Shakrita is fecal matter. So all this problem will crop in. Don't do it. Do chant the stotra only in Samskrita. The Samskrita script. Have Devanagari and therefore not Shabda. Sorry, not Sabda, it is Shabda. Okay, I heard. That's why I wanted to correct all of you. Shabda. Okay, Bhumihi and Arihi looks same. Is it like Ari Shabda? No, it is not like Ari Shabda. We cannot go by the form. So you will yourself will understand later why by seeing the the pada you will yourself will know. Bhumi is in fact a special Shabda.
Okay.
Suppose if you want to a word referring to earth, we can use the word Prithvi. Prithvi is Ikaranta Shabda. Nadi Shabda, you can use that. You don't have to try Bhumi now. Prithvi, Prithvyau, Prithvyaha. We can use Nadi Shabdavat. Right? And Vasudha is Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, we say Vasudha. That also you can use. There are so many words are there. Okay. But Bhumihi is Ikaranta. Just note. Bhumi, Ikarantaha, Strilinga. In fact, Ikaranta, Strilinga Shabda we have not seen. Ikaranta, Pratama Vibhakti, we have seen Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha.
Yes.
Right? But Ikaranta, Rasva Ikaranta, we have not seen it. Okay. Chandraha, Samudraha. Samudraha, please note, not Samudram. Don't say Samudram, Samudre, Samudrani. It is Samudraha. Another word, Arnava. In Bengal, you will see many people will have the name Arnav.
No.
Even our Arnav is there in Republic. Who is that? What's his name? Arnav Goswami. The man who shouts always the peak voice in the form of debate, in the name of debate. Arnav Goswami. Arnav means Arnava is ocean. Samudraha. And Nadi we know. Nadi river. Geometrical, yes.
Regarding that, Arnav and Arnab, this confusion of
Bengali, Vakaram.
It's not allowed in Sanskrit.
Vabakarayoho, Vakarasya, Vedaha. For according to for them there is no Veda. Vivekananda. They will not say Vivekananda. Because why is okay? Is there any Bengalis here? I'm not making fun, but just really please don't mistake me. Vakara Yoga, no, Vakara Yoga, Vedaha. So in place, the problem is, I think they can't pronounce or they don't have Vakara. I'm not sure about that. Maybe a Vakara must be there. But in the place of Vakara, they pronounce Bakara.
Right. My Sharanji is in Sanskrita, is it allowed to mix up Va and Ba?
No. Sanskrita, it is not allowed. Vakara is Vakara, Bakara is Bakara. We don't mix up here.
Okay.
In Telugu, we say Samudram. The Samudra.
Tamil also we say Samudram. Yes. But Samudraha, it is Pullinga in Sanskrit.
Okay.
Okay. Then the shapes, vrittam. Vrittam is round. Ardha vrittam, half round. Rekha. Rekha is line. Lakshman Rekha, we say, no? Rekha. Rekha is line. Rekha is akaranta shabda, Rama shabdavat. Rama, Re, Ramaha. Rekha, Reke, Rekaha. So vrittam is napumsakalinga. Vrittam, see, the word vritta, vrittihi, so many forms are there and got many meanings, but vrittam means circle. Vrittam, vritte, vrittani. Okay. Kim vrittam, also in the language, spoken language, we ask Kim vrittam, what's the meaning? That meaning also is there. Vrittam as the meaning also, the word vritta is there. Vrittam. Kim vrittam. What is the news? Kim
Meaning.
samvritam. But here it is showing a geometrical shape. Okay.
Also, chitta vritti nirodha, there the thought.
Chitta vritti, that is Strilinga vritti. Chitta vritti, antarmukha vritti, bagirmukha vritti, all these are Strilinga shabda. Vrittaka is computer disk. Vrittaka. Maybe there's a floppy disk which is round. It's called a vrittaka. Okay. Then ardha vrittam, trikonam. Trikonam is napumsakalinga. Then shukaha, kapotaha. I think all the animal stems in the beginning we read. So you can remember Shighalaha, Ballukaha, Mayuraha, Mushakaha, Vanaraha, Singha. Then all these are Akaranta Shabda. Mala. We have done Rama Shabda, right? Rama Rave, Ramaha. Mala, Male, Malaha. Another thing here, I tell you. What is the gender of Bala? Bala.
Bala.
I'm not saying Bala.
No, it's not a padam. It's a
No, no.
pradipadikam.
I'm asking the gender. What is the gender of the word Bala?
Feminine.
Pullinga.
Feminine.
It is Pullinga, not feminine. Bala. Akarantaha. I said
Pullinga.
Did I say In the beginning
No.
itself, I said, you didn't hear properly what I said. Akarantaha. Pullingaha. Bala Shabdaha. When we decline it decline Rama Shabda. When we decline Balaha, Balau.
Balaha.
Now, Akarantaha, Strilingaha, Bala Shabdaha. How do you decline?
Bala, Bale,
Bala.
Bala, Bale,
Balaha.
Balaha.
Bala.
Therefore, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Balaha. In Pullinga also, Pratama Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Balaha.
Balaha.
See, the forms are same, right?
Same.
It's a
Yes.
context.
That's
Therefore, context, whether it is boys or girls, you have to see the context. Balaha Kridanti, you cannot just like that translate. Boys play. Depending on the context. Previous sentence, suppose talking about the girls, then Balaha meaning girls. You have to take the context. Okay. Fine. Then Lata Late Lataha Gatika, Gatike Gatikaha, Churika, knife, Makshika, Pipilika. Pipilika by choice, it has no other choice. It is gender. Word itself has feminine gender only.
this.
Okay. Pipilika. Patashala, Vidyashala. Shala is Strilinga. So the Shala, the word, see, you yourself can coin words. Where Shala is a place, residence. Where the reading is done, studying is done, Patashala. Where yoga, there is yaga is done,
Yajñashala,
Yagashala.
Yagashala, Yajñashala. Where cooking is done,
Pakashala,
Pakashala.
Pakashala. Right? Paka is cooking.
Okay.
What about Parnashala?
Parnashala is a hermitage.
Book, library.
No, no. Not
Hermitage.
like Parna is a leaf, not a book.
Parnashala, the living place of
Patrashala.
sannyasis.
Parnashala. Yeah, hermitage, that hut, Parnashala. Parna is leaves, right?
Mm.
So the place, the residence of the sadhus, it's not only sadhus, anyone, okay, poor people also. They live in the thatched huts, right?
Yes.
Parnashala.
Parnashala.
So like that, Shala can be. Like Shala is Akaranta. So if you see the word ending with the Shala, it is Srilinga only.
Sharanji, the
And if
same.
you see the words, suppose with the ending with alaya, it is pullinga. Like patalaya. Patalaya is a sandhi. We will see sandhi. Pata plus alaya, what sandhi?
Swarna
A
Dirgha.
plus A, Savarna Dirgha Sandhi. We will continue that after some time. Patalaya, Vidyalaya, right? Shauchalaya, Yagalaya. Yagalaya also you can say. Yaga is done where? Alaya.
Himalaya.
Alaya means residence. Okay. Then Adhyapika, Dvichakrika, Goshala. See Goshala, Shala.
Shala.
The Napumsakalinga, Pustakam. And Nayanam. Nayanam also seeing sight as well as eyes. Both meanings are there. The word Nayanam. Netram, that is,
Eyes.
Nayanam is Netram, all the same meaning only. All have got the same meaning. Nayanam can mean eyes or sight also. Nayanam. Another word for this we use in Vedanta, Chakshuhu, Chakshurindriyam.
Seeing.
Chakshuhu. Okay. What linga is that? Can you tell the linga by just? It appears to be Guruhu. It is not Ukaranta, in fact, it is. It appears to be Guruhu, therefore Chakshuhu. It is a Napumsakalinga word. It is Shakaranta, more than a Shakara, in fact, it is. Shakarantaha, Napumsakalingaha, Chakshush Shabdaha. Declension is completely different. We will see that later. Chakshuhu, Chakshushi, Chakshumshi. Okay. Not like Guru. You can guess Guru now, it's okay. Nothing wrong now at this level. But later, when you see the word Chakshuhu, should know that it's Napumsakalinga. Okay. The Anta itself is different. Amram or Amrapalam, Griham, Chatram, Vimanam, Upanetram, Panasam or Panasapalam, Udyanam, Pushpam. Okay. This is the exercise you can do. I'll send you this book. You can practice. Mahila Chakurmaya to find out the linga. All these for kids, but anyway, we are kids only in the beginning stage. We can. Now, what is this first figure? Yes, given. You have to choose.
Naukaya.
Yeah, it is Naukaya. Nauka is Yanam is. Nauka is not a book. Nauka is a boat, ship. Yanam is a vehicle.
Mahanauka also.
You can say Mahanauka. You can say Mahanauka. Where is Mahanauka?
There is
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
next
is
one is
Mahanauka.
Mahanauka.
In
Yes.
fact, it's Mahanauka because sorry, I didn't see that. Mahanauka is ship. Naukayanam is boat. It must be there somewhere below. I think below is there.
It is coming there.
Okay. Then bus.
Yeah. Lokayanam.
Lokayanam. You can say Basayanam also. Nothing wrong. Basayanam or Loka. Loka is Janaha, people.
Loka, yes.
Carries people. Lokayanam.
Railyanam.
Railyanam. Auto.
Naukaya.
Trivichakrika. Trichakrika.
Show them top, please.
Oh, okay. Trichakrika, not Trinichakrika.
Trichakrika.
Dvichakrika cycle or mopeds, bike, scooter. This is Trichakrika. Three-wheeler. And what about this?
Pushpaka Vimanam.
Then lorry.
Matchaka.
Huh? Okay. Bharavagakam. Yes. You cannot count the wheels and then say so many wheels, Chakrika. No. It's got many wheels. Okay. Bharavagaka is better. It carries load, right? Bharavagakam. Napumsakalinga. Bharavagakam. Bharavagake. Bharayanam also you can say. It's all coined word. You can use Bharayanam.
We can say Bharavahanam.
What? It's very good. You can say Bharavahanam. Why not? Vahanam is vehicle.
That's what's written. Bharavahanam.
What's the difference between Vahakam and Vahanam?
Vaganam is vehicle, Vagaka, that which carries Vagaka, Vagakam, same. Not big difference. Next one.
Mancha.
Manchaha. Manchaha is palanquin or Manchaha could be a bed also. Manchaha. And Vimanam. Yananam namani vivichya pattikam karotu. Okay, you can do later. Bhutala yanani means yanani. What is yanani?
Vehicle.
Yane.
Road vehicles. Land
Vehicle.
No, yanani means vehicles. Bhutala yanani means that which lies on the roads.
Road.
Akasha yanani, which moves in the sky. Jalayanani. So this word Jalayanam also we can use for ship or boat. Jalayanam. Common word, but to be specific, Nauka or Mahanauka, whatever it is. Cycle, using the word cycle. Dvichakrika, instead of Dvichakrika, you say cycle yanam. Marge kim pashyati vadatu. It's a good exercise. You have to tell kim pashyati. Cycle yanam kim pashyati.
Balaka, Balika.
Patashala.
Balak.
Okay. Now you know Rama Shabda, right? Rama Shabda, all the linga. Similarly, okay, we cannot do this exercise because kim pashyati means you have to use karma, Dvitiya Vibhakti. So if we have any in Srilinga, then we won't be able to do because we have not seen Rama Shabda. This we will do later. So now let us come back to the Shabda. So in the last class we saw the Idam Shabda in Pullinga Ayam Imo Ime and Etat Shabda Yeshaha Yeto Yete. What is the difference between these two? Etad and the Idam?
Nearer.
Which is near, which is nearer?
Closer. Yeah.
Idam is near,
Yesham
Esham is nearer.
Yes, okay. So therefore know the difference. When there are two things like this, then you have to distinguish by using this. Otherwise, you can use anyone as you like. It's your wish. Okay, then interrogative Kim Shabda, that also we saw. Kaha kauke. Kim, see, the Pratipadikam is same for all the gender. Pratipadikam Kim, Pratipadikam Idam, Pratipadikam Etad, Takaranta, right? What gender? Depending on the gender, the declensions are different. So we saw only Pullinga. Kim, Kaka kauke, Idam, Ayam Imo Ime, Etad, Eshaha Yeto Ete, right? So with this Pullinga is done. I mean, Pullinga is done means not entire Pullinga, whatever required for us for the next study, whatever we are going to study. So that is Pullinga is important. The Shabdas are required for our exercise, Abhyasa purpose. Okay, then Ayam Ajaha. Usage of Ayam. This is a goat. Now Ayam is, why Makara is here? Because it is followed by the next word beginning with Akara, the bubble.
Swara.
Therefore Ayam. It means here Sandhi. Ayam Ajaha, when we do Sandhi. Even otherwise also, even when there is pause, the complete word is Ayam only. Ayam should be written. When followed by the word beginning with the consonant, this Makara will become
Bindu.
Anuswara. Not Bindu. You should say Anuswara. You know that what it is, right? Anuswaraha. Not Anuswaraha. 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 So, in fact, this is a Sandhi rule. Vyanjana Sandhi rule. We will see that later. Ayam Makara at the end of what? At the end of? At the end of the Padam. Yes. At the end of the Padam, Purva Padam, followed by a Padam beginning with a vowel, then Makara will be as it is. No change will happen. And when followed by a consonant, so as it is, for that there is no rule. When Makara will become Anuswara, for that only the rule is there. Right? Makara will become Anuswara when followed by a consonant. That is the rule. When followed by a vowel, what will happen? Nothing will happen. There is no rule. So here only we have rule. So followed by vowels, what will happen? The question itself doesn't rise because followed by vowel, nothing will happen. Makara will remain as it is. When followed by a consonant, what will happen? See, when followed by a vowel, we can join this makara and akara also. Ayamajaha, we can say. Just melanam. Makara plus akara, what is that? Amma, mimi, mumu, we have done, right? Just a melanam. That is not a sandhi. Ayamajaha, we can say. Is it a sandhi? It is not sandhi. Okay, please understand the difference between sandhi and melanam. Melanam is because the consonant and vowel, they come together and thus they join. That is melanam. Ayam ajaha or ayam ajaha. That's fine. Even in the Gita or other places you will see, it will be like that. Together they have written. That is not sandhi. Whereas this is a sandhi. You understand what I'm saying? When this here, in the place of Anuswara, what was there? This was Makara. Because of the following word beginning with the consonant, Makara has become Anuswara. This is what Sandhi, what we call Anuswara Sandhi. You will see in Vyanjana Sandhi context. Okay. When followed by a vowel, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Makara will remain as it is.
Makara.
When followed by a vowel, it will be as it is. So, therefore, when we write also, we have to, here, we should not write like this. Ayam ajaha. But in the books and all, you will see. See, Makara has become Anuswara. That happens only when in Sandhi happens. But here, what Sandhi will happen? In fact, this is not correct actually. But the books and all we see, I mean, it is accepted. It is understood. Therefore, I mean, strictly the rules are not followed. But it should be written like this only. If at all Sandhi happens, and what Sandhi happens? There is no Sandhi possible here. You have to do like this only. Ayam ajaha. Understand? It's a small thing, but it's a significant thing. You understand what I'm saying, all of you? Yeah.
Shall we write without gap?
Without gap, with gap doesn't matter. Gap is nothing. What is gap in the when you speak?
When it is like splitted words, it seems. But when joined, we can easily say.
Okay, when you join, what will happen? Ayam ajaha only it will be.
Yeah. I am ajaha. Though no Anuswara Sandhi will happen.
Anuswara Sandhi, anyway, it will not happen, I'm saying. How it will happen here? What is the condition?
It will not happen here, but in the other one, it has happened. But can we join in that case? I'm asking. No.
Like this? Like this?
Yes, I'm asking like
Whether
that.
you write like this or write like this, it has no meaning, I'm saying.
Okay.
You know, in all the old palm script, palm leaf, it will be like this only.
Okay.
Where is the space? We don't have space or even in Sanskritam. Understand? The palm leaf, if you see, you will not see space between the words. Those who have studied and then, they from the palm leaf, they have taken all our stotra, bhashyam, etc. Right? They know what the word is. Therefore, they know where the gap is. Gap, not literally gap, and what the word is. This we write for, even if suppose if I write without space, you should be able to understand. Ayam ajaha is, ayam is this, gajaha is another word, elephant. You should understand like that. If suppose if I write without space, then what will happen? It's very difficult to split and understand because we should know the words first of all. And even if you know the words, then also it's difficult. That is why for our understanding, easy recognition of the words, we just give a space between the words. Okay,
but
fine.
We can read like this also. I am Gajaha.
Why not? That's how we have to read. How will you read otherwise? Is there any other way of reading it? Say yes or no. I am ajaha, I am gajaha only. Because of Sandhi, you will read it in different way. Because
Sharanji, Purva Rupa Sandhi is different from this? Purva
Sorry?
Rupa Sandhi. Purva Rupa Sandhi.
I didn't teach you
Purva
Purva Sandhi. That question is not relevant now.
Okay.
You ask Sandhi,
Charanji.
which is relevant.
Charanji, there, when you said, is there any other different way of reading?
Hmm.
What if I say it is Ayang Gajaha? The
That is
Ngakara.
Sandhi. That is Sandhi. You are doing Sandhi. That's a different Sandhi. Nakara taking, Manuswara taking the fifth letter of the following. Out of scope
Right.
now. Don't worry about it now. In
Right.
Sandhi and chanting and all we do.
Right.
Yes. Okay. Fine. Move on. Okay. Whatever basic questions are there, please ask now itself and clarify. Huh? So it's good to clarify now itself. So later you will not have such doubts. It should not be. You should not have. Yeah. Okay. What's the question next? Yeah. Somebody is asking. No. Okay. I am Kaha. What is this? Can we say I am Ka, for example, or I am Kaha? You cannot. Because you know this
Can
is
say
a
okay.
this is a
I am is only for Pullinga.
Pullinga. This is a Chashaka. Suppose if we don't know the gender and how to ask, by default we can always ask Etat Kim. See, please listen. This is a Chashaka. Chashaka is Akaranta Shabda, Pullinga Shabda. Therefore, the question is I am Kaha. What is this? I am is Pullinga, Kaha is also Pullinga. So both have to be the same linga, same gender, same vachanam. I told you, what is that called in Sanskritam?
Samanadhikaranyam.
Very good. You have to remember all these words. Samanadhikaranyam. We cannot say I am cow. Kaha cow. We cannot say, right? Similarly, we cannot use any other gender. Etat kaha. You cannot ask. That's Etat is Napumsakalinga. Kaha is Pullinga. Etat kim you can ask. That is different. And Chashaka is Pullinga. Therefore, question is I am kaha. I am kaha. I am Chashakaha. Understand? Suppose if I don't know the gender of this object. I mean, not object, sorry. Sanskritam, we don't have to. Suppose I don't know what it is, then what word, how do I ask question? You can always by default, you can ask Etat Kim. That's fine. Etat Kim you can ask. If you don't know the word and therefore the gender of the word. Right? You understand what I'm saying? You know, therefore we can use always Etat Kim. Etat Kim means, what is this? Simple. The answer should be in keeping with the gender of the meaning of the gender of the word. Suppose Etat Kim the person asks, and that is a Pullinga, then I am Vrikshaha, you can say. This is I am Vrikshaha, I am Chashakaha. You understand? I am Astaha, I am Grantaha, like that. Then next, you follow what I'm saying, all of you. Etat Kim is a default question. Etat Kim means what is this?
Just I have one more question. Let us say if a particular object has two genders, words in two genders. Okay. So if a particular person is asking in masculine, and if I don't know the masculine word, so how should we respond? So is it okay to still, if I know only a Strilinga, still should I go ahead with Strilinga or something else?
Yeah, you can use the gender what you know. That's there are some words like that. Yes, that's got more than one gender.
Yeah,
there are many words like that. Just now. For example, the word adaraha. Again, what adaraha? The meaning. It's sometimes the word. Though we say it is not connected with the meaning, but sometimes there are some words. Depending on the meaning, also the gender changes. Adara, for example, adara means lips. Adaram maduram, we say, right? Lips. Adara also means down below, base. Adara. Then it is Pullinga. Okay, Pullinga Shabda, low. In fact, adara is an adjective that we can use in all the gender. Adara, the word. So adaram means the lips. One meaning is there. Adaram means low or lower. That also another meaning. So in that meaning, it is all gender. It has got all. No, all it can be expressed in all the genders. So we can use. Okay. Ayam kaha, ayam balaka. See, now you can convert all this in all the vachanam. Ayam kaha, what will be in dvivachanam? What are these two? How do you ask?
Ime cow.
Ime cow. Ayam, not ime, sorry. Don't say ime.
Imau.
Imau.
Mau.
We are doing pullinga. Pullinga, okay. Pullinga, remember always dvivachanam you will have au. Kakakau, yakayau, ramaka ramau, right? And idam shabda also. Ayam, imau, yeshaha, etau, kahakau, all cow. So remember pullinga you will have au. In strilinga you will have ye. Iyam ime, ka ke, yesha ete, rama rame. Understand, Prakashji? Remember this. So cow means in only in pullinga, dvivachanam. You have to remember in pullinga it is dvivachanam. Strilinga it is ye. Yes, na puttikira. But cash going out. People do multiple activities parallel. Multitasking at the same time. It's not allowed in the class. You have to focus in the class alone. Chitraji. I am, okay, coming back to the, so therefore imau cow, not ime. Okay. So you can remember, for pullinga it will be au, dvivachanam. For dvivachanam alone, okay. For strilinga it is, strilinga as well as napumsakalinga, both will be ye.
Yeah.
Both will be ye. Yes. Kim ke, etat yete, tatate, palam pale, all. Ayam kaha, who is this? Okay, what is the kriyapadam? Kriyapadam we need to supply. Ayam kaha asti. Right? Ayam kaha asti. Ayam balakaha asti. Ayam balakaha ramaha asti. That is your next this class homework. Ayam ramaha, ayam balakaha ramaha. You try in all the, okay, ayam shabda I have not taught you all the forms. Okay, ayam shabda I will do this, we'll do today. Ayam shabda, all the vibhaktis. I have taught you tat shabda, etat shabda, right? All the forms. Tat shabda you know, stakataute tam tautan. The same format, etat shabda is eshaha eto yete, then etam yeto yetana, etena, etabhyam. Just add ye before the forms of tat shabda, pullinga shabda. Etasmai etabhyam, etebhyaha. Etasmat etabhyam, etebhyaha. Etasya etayoho, etesham. Etasmin etayoho, eteshu. So once you know tat shabda, same format, etat shabda. But ayam shabda is not like that. Okay, ayam shabda is different. Let us do. Ayam shabda is another important shabda. Though I have done at the end, but we will do it now.
Saranji, is it
Yes.
ayam shabda or idam shabda?
Sorry, idam shabda. Idam is a pradipadikam. Yeah. Idam is a pradipadikam. Okay. Yes, you're right. Idam. Yeah, where is that shabda? Okay, here at the end is that it's okay. It will take some time to memorize this. You can do it. The shabda and etat shabda, both have got some similarity. Let us start. Makarantaha, pullingaha, idam shabdaha.
Pullingaha, idam shabdaha.
Idam is a pradipadikam. It's a common pradipadikam for all the gender. Now we are going to decline in pullinga. And pratama vibhakti is ayam, imau, ime.
Ayam, imau, ime.
Imam, like Ramam. So here becomes imam. So you can see here in pratama, in ekavachanam. In ekavachanam, you have everywhere except here in in Dvitiya, A will be there. And in other places, E and Bhagavachanam, you will see A. So the changes you can note. In Bhagavachanam, if you see all, Ebihi, Ebhyaha, Ebhyaha, Etesham, Eshu. So in Ekavachanam, it is A. In Bhagavachanam, it is A. Okay. So this Shabda also, if you know Tat Shabda or Etat Shabda, the same format. Imam, Imau, Iman.
Iman.
Is it not similar to Rama Shabda? Ramam, Ramo, Raman. Same. Here we need to observe here Imam. This is Ima, E. Then Anena. Like what Shabda? Tena. Ramena, Tena, Getena. Then Ramabhyam, Abhyam. Then Rame. Okay, Rame is not the correct one. You can say here Abihi, something different. Ramehi is different. Here there's no Aihi, Abihi. What about Tat Shabda? Tena Tabhyam, Taihi. Etena Etabhyam, Etaihi. But here it is Abihi. Anena Abhyam, Abihi. Asmai Abhyam, Ebhyaha. Asmat Abhyam, Ebhyaha. Asya Anayoho Esham. Asmin Anayoho Eshu. Sambodhana? Not there. Ayam Ramaha Imau. Ramau. Not Rame. Where is Rame?
Sorry, Ramo.
Ime Ramaha. Imam Ramam. This in the Ramanai, Tamil object it is. Imau Ramau. Imana Rama. Anena Ramena. By this Rama. One Rama only. Abhyam Ramabhyam. By these two Ramas. Then Ebihi Ramai. Ramas. You can replace Rama by Chatra, by these students. Ebihi Chatrehi. Right? Asmai Ramaya. Asmai, right? Tasmai Gurave. Tasmai Araye. Then Tasmai Ramaya. Why always Akaranta? We can take Hari Shabda. You have to keep on change the Shabda also. Aribhyam, Aribhyam. Ebhyaha, Aribhyaha. Ebhyaha, Ramebhyaha. Right? Asmat. What is Hari Shabda? Ikaranta. Asmat, Arehe. Asmat, Ramat. Asmat, Guroho. Right? From the teacher, from the Guru. Abhyam, Gurubhyam. Abhyam, Abhyam, Padabhyam. We can say Pada is pulling Akaranta Shabda. Abhyam, Padabhyam. Abhyam, Gurubhyam. Abhyam, Aribhyam. Do you follow all of you? Yes. Ebhyaha, Ramebhyaha, Ebhyaha, Gurubhyaha, Ebhyaha. Corresponding Hari is Haribhyaha. Asya Ramasya. Of that Rama. Asya Ramasya Pustakam Kutra Asti. Where is the book of that Rama? Of this Rama. Okay. It means this. Tasya Ramasya Pustakam, Asya Ramasya Pustakam. Kasya Pustakam, Asya Pustakam, Asya Ramasya Pustakam. Kasya Pustakam, whose book? Asya Pustakam. Asya Ramasya Pustakam, Asya Chatrasya Pustakam. The book belongs to the Chatra, the student. Like that. So Asya Ramasya, Asya Shashti, Guroho, Asya Arehe. Similarly, Anayogo, Ramayogo. Of these two Ramas. Esham Ramanam, Esham Arinam, Esham Gurunam, Esham Chatranam, Esham Vrikshanam, right? Just much familiarity. I mean, if you can readily use appropriate the forms, That's the practice. It's very good. That is the beginning itself. We cultivate that so that later speaking will be easy. You don't have to struggle after learning the language. You struggle to speak. Asmin Rame. So in the the shloka we chant, no? Rame Chittalaya Sada Bhavatu Me. So here itself we can add Ayam Ramaha Rajamani Sada Vijayate. Then what is Ramam? Imam Ramam Ramesham Bhaje. I'm just adding, okay. Then Ramena Anena. Anena Ramena Abhigita Nishachara Chamuhu. Then Asmai Ramaya Atasmai Ramaya. Tasmai already it is there. Namaha. You see, Tasmai is there. In fact, we have done homework, right? Tasmai Ramaya like that. So already it is here. Tasmai Ramaya. To that Rama. Namaskara. Ramat. Yeah, Ramat is there. Because of Sandhi, you don't see Rama Takara. Sandhi. Ramat Nasti. Therefore, Asmat Ramat Nasti. Parayanam Parataram. There is no other goal. There is no other destination other than Rama. Ramasya, Asya Ramasya. Dasaha Asmi. Agam Asmi. Rame. Rame is Asmin Rame. In this Rama, may my mind always be Laya. Chitta Layaha. Chittasya Layaha. Chitta Layaha. May my mind always dwell, remain, absorbed. Sada, always, when, all the time. Bhavatu me. Bhorava. Of course, Sambodhana we don't have in pronouns. Understand? So, Asmin Rame. So, Asmin Rame. Ramayo, Anayoho, Ramayoho. Rameshu. Yeshu Rameshu. Yeshu Gurushu. Yeshu Arishu. I don't expect you to memorize this Shabda. If you do, it's very good. But Pratama Vibhakti is important. I am Ime. Right? Yes. Then let us do some this Sandhi, which Savana Dirgha Sandhi quickly. Some exercise. What is Savana Dirgha Sandhi? What is Savana Dirgha?
The Ucharan Sthanam is same.
No. I'm asking the Sandhi itself. Savarna Dirgha Sandhihi Kaha.
Samana.
Plus A becomes A.
No. That should not be the answer. Not like that.
Last letter of the Purva Shabda and the first letter of the Uttara Shabda, when they are in Savarna, it is replaced. Both of the letters are replaced by Savarna Dirgha.
Yes. Ak is followed by Savarna Ak. That's it. When Ak is followed by Savarna Ak, both will be replaced by the corresponding Savarna Dirgha Ak. That is the rule. You can say loosely A plus A or all. How many combinations you will see? There are 16 combinations, right? So you can remember this. It is Ak you have to remember. That's the point. Ak followed by Savarna Ak. That Ak you have to remember. It's not only A, it's about E, U, R. Those examples we need to see. Now, Varuni plus Indrani, E plus E. The last letter of the Purva Padam, Varuni. Varuni is Varunihi. That is different. This is different. What is the difference? Those who know Taittiriya Upanishad chanting, you can tell. What is the difference? Varunihi is Ari Shabdavati Ikarantaha Pullingaha Varuni Shabdaha Arihi Ari Areha Varunihi Varuni Varunaya. Here this Varuni Indrani is Varuni is Ikaranta Shabda. Here it is the wife of Varuna. Varuni. Okay. Yeah. Then Indrani. E plus E. Varuni Indrani. Joined. Duravani. Ichchati. Duravani is
Phone.
Duravani.
Telephone.
Radio.
No?
Not only that, radio or telephone. The Vani, the sound which is away. So Vani, the sound, which is at afar, Duravani ichati, or I can say, I want to hear your voice, you are away. Duravani ichati, right? You are not near, you are away, but I want to hear your speech. Duravani. Okay. So E plus E. Duravani. Or Duravani, we will talk about more on that when we study Nadi Shabda, other forms. Just Sandhi alone we can do. E plus E, Ichati. E and Ichati. Dirgha Sandhi. Nadi plus Iti. Nadi is a Padam. Iti is another Avyaya Padam. Nadi Itati. Naditi. Gachami plus Iti. Gachami Padam. Iti is another Padam. Therefore, Gachami Iti. Agam Gachami. Gachami Iti. Vadati. He says, I go. Then Guru plus Upadesha will be Guru Padesha. Guru Padesha is, oh, it's Akaranta Shabda. Pullingaha. We can decline like Rama Shabda. Guru Padeshaha, Guru Padesho, Guru Padeshaha. Guru plus Upadesha. Guru is a Pradipadikam. Upadesha is another Pradipadikam. Teshu plus Upajayate. What is Teshu? Tat Shabdasya Saptami Ekavachanam. So therefore it's a Padam. Upajayate. Another Padam. What Padam? Kriya Padam. This is. Teshu Upajayate. Teshu plus Upajayate is U plus U. Sankas Teshu Upajayate. Sankat Sanjayate Kamaha. Kutra asti? Gitayam. Right? In fact, here also our the Shiksha Sutrani, now we can join and chant. Upu. What's Upu and Pu plus Upadmaniyana. What's Sandhi? Upu Padmaniyana. U plus U. In the beginning, we didn't do Sandhi. Now we will do this U plus U. Similarly, Nasika plus Anuswarasya, we can join. Next class onwards, we will join. Nasika Anuswarasya Upu Padmaniyana.
There we can do
Yeah.
Anamoshtau.
What is that?
Upu Padmaniyana Moshtau. Melanam also. M plus
Yeah,
O.
of course, Melanam we can do. Why we split? So that we know Oshto means, okay, Oshto is to lips. Distinctly we know. This Melanam is always, we can do choice. To show that distinctly as Oshto is given. Okay. So these two, here also Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, right? Okay. I think we'll stop here. Next class we will do Karotu plus Utsuman words. Any doubts? Please ask. See, we say loosely I am Shada, Idam Shabda to distinguish. It because Idam is common for all, right? So it's a loose way of saying. But correct way is to always say this Linga, Idam Shabda, Pullinga, Ayam. Then we have to say the whole thing. Idam Shabda, Pullinga, Rupam, Ayam. That Shabda we will see. Ayam Shabda means directly we know what the Ayam is. It is not in any other gender, only in Pullinga. Therefore, we refer to it. So it's all shortcuts. Okay. Any other doubts? If you have, please ask. Okay. So your homework. Today we saw Ayam Shabda. Ayam Ramaha Chatraha. You can take Ayam Ramaha Chatraha. You can use Ayam Shabda. The Shabda Manjari, that Shabda Pata already you have sent you. The Shabda you can try. This all Shabda, if you see, this also almost same as that Shabda. Saha Taute, leave it. The Taute at least the same. Then Tam is there. Tam Tautan. Then here onwards, Tena, here Anena. Etena, Anena, Tena. Same. Tasmai, Etasmai, Asmai. Tasmat, Etasmat, Asmat. Tasya, Asya, Etasya. Etasmin, Tasmin, Asmin. Are they not same? Same, right? Only that some words are letter is, that at the beginning that you need to note. Of course, in Bhagavachanam we have Taihi, but here it is Ebihi. That's the difference. Tebhyaha, Ebhyaha, Tesham, Esham, Teshu, Eshu. And Bhivachanam, it's almost it is same. Tabhyam, Yarabhyam, Tayoho, Anayoho. So this Shabda is also, now we can note the sequence. So we started with, in fact, Tat Shabda, then Etat Shabda, then Kim Shabda, one more Shabda also simple, Yat Shabda that we will do next class. That's all the same pattern. Then Idam Shabda. In this order, if you memorize, it'll be easy. The Shabda Manjari, they are given Idam Shabda separately under the Sarvanama section. These Shabdas are, all the demonstrative pronouns or interrogative pronouns are called by the name Sarvanama. Sarvanama means pronoun in Sanskritam. But here, we are, our order is different. So you can memorize. Even though in the book, the Shabda Rupani, comes later, but you can memorize now itself. Because all the Shabdas are the same, format. They are the same format, the same, you can appreciate that the Vibhaktis, Rupani, Samanani Bhavanti, except some minor differences. That's okay. Without any differences, then why should we memorize that? All Shabda will be of same. So please do it. So we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha. Yes.
Ayam Ramaha Chatraha. It means
Ayam Chatraha Ramaha. This boy is Rama.
Okay.
Anyway, you can say,
the student.
sorry, this student, Shumita. This Chatraha. Okay, Chatraha student. Yam Chatraha Balaha Ramaha. Okay, because you yourself added one more word. You can take that also. Yam Chatraha Balaha Ramaha.
Okay.
Yes, okay. What is the Prakashi?
I said, Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavadaha. Yes.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavadaha, Sharanji.
Yeah. Dhanyavadaha.
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 Charanji, I have a
Yes.
question.
Yeah.
You said the Makara with we call it Melanam,
Yeah.
and can it also be called Gunitakshara?
Gunitakshara.
When a consonant is added to or a vowel is added to a consonant,
You can call. Why not? Yeah. In fact, Gunitakshara, you remember the symbols, the E, a pure
stroke.
consonant, stroke.
Yeah.
And even the form of the vowel, which when you join the vowel and the consonant, the vowel takes that form, like the stroke on the left and the stroke on the right. E, and R has got a stroke down below, and O is one on the right and one on the top. All these are called Gunitakshara. Everything is Gunitakshara. The nether stroke, what we call, in fact, I think that's the right word, Gunitakshara. Even for the nether stroke, we can call it is Gunitakshara. The stroke below the pure consonant, Gunitakshara.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and similarly here also, Makara plus A, when we join that Gunitakshara, that A goes away, therefore Ma becomes, we can call that as Gunitakshara. It's loosely, it's called actually, in fact, by that word.
Oh, so the symbols are called Gunitakshara? Or what I didn't understand is
the symbols are actually, the symbols are called Gunitakshara. The symbols are called Gunitakshara. This may be, I have seen this word also somewhere. By I use the name Melanam. Okay. But in some books, I think I have seen Gunitaksharani, that's consonant vowel combinations are called Gunitakshara. In some books, they call by that name.
Because in Kannada we call it Gunitakshara. And
I think same.
K plus I is ka. We did ka ka ki ki.
See, because of the Melanam only, that vowel take that particular form, because of the, that's why together we can call Gunitakshara, and individually you need to have some name. Therefore, they use the word Gunitakshara also.
Okay. Okay.
Now I was searching for the word. I mean, another stroke is called Gunitaksha. I mean, I didn't recognize that. I thought it has got some other name. That is also Gunitaksha. Gunitaksha. Gunita is Akshara is a mark, not just a. Gunitaksha means you can take it as a mark.
Okay.
Gunita. The word, I think it is derived from the word guna. Guna means some feature. So Gunita. Okay, Ganita is different. Gunita is it's quality. Yeah, Gunita is some feature, some quality. That is the meaning given in the dictionary. Gunita. Other meanings are there, but Gunita. So Gunita Akshara. Yes.
So Melanam can be used for anything in that case, isn't it? Even Sanyuktakshara is a Melanam of Vyanjana with another Vyanjana.
Sanyuktakshara also, yes. Like what?
Akshara. In Akshara, Ka and Sha.
We're talking about the consonant, two consonants coming together. Kakara plus Shakara.
Plus Akara.
But two vowels, we will never come together.
Correct.
Two consonants can come together, but two vowels can never come together.
But they have already come together in A, I, O.
No. That is that how two vowel came together and the form itself becomes A. A plus E came together and the form itself becomes A. Therefore, come together, what I mean is, without Sandhi. Sandhi will happen. Sandhi is a must between the two vowels. Okay, that's what I mean. Not come together means you will not see A and E together in any context. So if it comes together, then A plus E will become A.
A. Okay.
A plus E is A. A plus A is I. That is what Sandhi is. Guna Sandhi and Vriddhi Sandhi, which we are going to see after this.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
That's why you remember Rama plus Ishvara, Rameshwara. But Ramaha plus Ishvara is not Rameshwara because there the vowels don't come into contact because in between Visarga is there. Rama plus Ishvara, A plus E Sandhi. A. Rame, Rameshwara. Ramaha plus Ishvara, it is not.
Visarga will go.
Visarga, it will go or it will, but that some change will happen. Of course, it goes away by some Sandhi. So there it will be, it's not Swara Sandhi, it is Visarga Sandhi. So, because Visarga is that there is no Samhita between the vowels. Samhita between the Visarga and the following letter E. So some other change will happen. Either in this case, Visarga will drop. Rama plus Ishvara, Visarga will drop. Visarga will not drop real. That is, if you have read like that in some books, it is not true. Visarga, we will see. In fact, we will see how Visarga has come. We'll go step backwards. And then we will say, Visarga itself is not that to go and say. Ramaha plus Ishvara in some books, suppose if you have already studied, then they would have said Visarga is dropped, right? That's not correct actually. That in fact, Visarga comes in the place of Sakara, that is Nu, only when at the end of the Padam or Kar fall. Then only Visarga will come. Visarga itself is not there. Actually, what was there is only Ru. So Repa alone was there. We'll discuss. That will drop. Not Visarga will drop. Repa will drop. That also will not drop really. You know, what happens is something different. That Yakara comes and Yakara is dropped. It's not even Visarga dropping. So those Sandhis we will see. So it is not just like that, simple. That is why we reserve it for later Sandhis. Step by step we will see.
Actually, I'm starting to recollect a few things from high school and in pre-university, what I had studied.
In the school, yes, of course, in the school they would have taught you like that. Even in Gurukulam, when they follow the Anton book is given like that, Visarga will drop. It's not true actually. You will not learn like that way. You will go by the Paninian the method. It's little difficult, but we will follow that. So that later will be useful when we study Sutra. We can connect. Otherwise, again, I have to teach you the Sandhi, then that time I have to make the connection. It's difficult for me. So in the beginning itself, I do like that. For all the classes, not only for this class, every class and all the batches, whatever I am doing that, I do like this only. Through the Paninian method only. Though difficult, it's good to learn in the beginning itself. Right? Okay. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಸರ್.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.